The MG ZS EV went on sale in India in 2020, and the all-electric SUV managed to garner a strong demand in a year of sales. The ZS EV bagged over 3,000 bookings in 2020, and the demand is only expected to go higher for the electric vehicle. Given the high acceptance, MG Motor India has rolled out a new and updated version of the ZS EV for the 2021 model year that brings in a number of improvements to the offering. Visually, the 2021 MG ZS EV remains identical to the older model. The SUV continues to get the deep concave grille with chrome highlights, London Eye-inspired projector headlamps and LED tail lights, all of which offer a distinctive appearance to the electric SUV. The cabin too remains unchanged, with the all-black theme infused with leather and chrome inserts. The big change though comes to the battery pack on the updated offering. The new ZS EV gets a new and evolved 44.5 kWh lithium-ion battery, which the company calls a high-tech battery pack. The new battery promises a range of 419 km on a single charge. The manufacturer says that its real-life range will be consistently between 300 and 400 km. The model continues to ride on 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, but they are now wrapped in new reprofiled 215-section tires with a 55 aspect ratio. The new tires have also helped increase the ground clearance to 205mm, up from the earlier 177mm. The high-tech battery also sits higher than before for better protection. In addition to the notable hardware updates on the new ZS EV, the connected car is smarter than before too. The MG iSmart mobile application will now tell you about the CO2 savings as part of the EcoTreat challenge. Not only will you be able to see the CO2 savings of your car, but also of the top 10 ZS EV owners across the country. Other features remain the same, including the massive sunroof, 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as connected car technology, PM 2.5 air filter, electrically adjustable driver's seat, rain sensing wipers, leather upholstered seats, 6 airbags and lots more. The electric motor on the 2021 ZS EV continues to produce the same 141 brake horsepower and 353 Nm of peak torque. 0 to 100 km per hour is achievable in 8.5 seconds. The model is offered with the eShield package that brings in 5 years of warranty, labour service, roadside assistance and the company's 5-way charging infrastructure. The lithium-ion battery pack gets an 8-year warranty as standard or up to 1.5 lakh kilometers. MG says that the running cost on the ZS EV is less than 1 rupee per kilometer. Prices for the MG ZS EV start at 20,99,000 rupees for the Excite variant and go up to 24,18,000 rupees for the top spec exclusive variant. All prices are ex-showroom Delhi. Compared to the 2020 model, the new Excite variant has seen a price hike of 10,000 rupees, while the exclusive variant is more expensive by a substantial 1,60,000 rupees. The 2021 MG ZS EV is now available in 31 cities across India, with the addition of 10 new cities since last October. The automaker also says that there has been a strong demand from smaller cities and towns. Bookings are already open for the electric SUV, and deliveries for the updated model will begin soon. The new ZS EV will continue to compete against the Hyundai Kona Electric in the segment.